In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable virtual reality on your Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to adjust those permission settings. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Brave and then select the menu setting icon up to the top right, and then go down and select settings near the bottom of this menu. On the left side, select privacy and security, and then underneath privacy and security, select site and shield settings. Scrolling down underneath permissions, select additional permissions, and then there should be an item in here that says virtual reality. Go ahead and select that. And then you can prevent sites from being able to use virtual reality devices or data by selecting the second option. The first option would allow you to have sites ask if you can use virtual reality devices and data. Make your selection whatever your preference may be, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.